Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Let me ask you something. Have you ever used two SIM cards in one phone, like one for work and one for personal use? Or maybe you've got Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook, all on the same phone, but for different things? You didn't buy a new phone for each one, right? It's the same with websites. You don't need to buy a separate hosting plan for every site you want to create. You can just add a new domain to your existing hosting. And that's what we call an add-on domain. A super simple, one hosting account, multiple websites. And if you're looking for an easy way to manage it all, YouStable is a great choice. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and super affordable. Perfect if you're starting out or running multiple projects. Alright, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up an add-on domain. Let's jump in. Add-on domains allow you to control multiple domains from a single account. It links a new domain name to a directory in your account, and then stores its files in that directory. You need to point your add-on domain name server to your main domain name server before you add an add-on domain. Let's learn how to create add-on domains. Click Domains. Click the Create Domain button. Enter the add-on domain name and click to uncheck the document root boxes. cPanel automatically populates subdomain and document root input boxes. Now click the Submit button. That's it. We have successfully created an add-on domain. Here is the newly created add-on domain. Thank you for watching.